Good morning, students. Sustainability of development, groundwater example. The questions to be done in your fair notebook. I'm going to discuss these. A. Why groundwater is overused? You must understand the meaning of overuse. Overusing a resource means using the resource more than it's replenished by the nature. So replenishes the rate of its formation, you can say. The nature is itself increasing the level of groundwater with the natural process of rains coming down, but the rate of use is more, extraction is more than the rate at which it is being replenished or increased. This is actually cause overuse. So why this is in case of groundwater example? Because groundwater is also a renewable resource. This is also replenished by the nature. So if we are using more, and here we are using more groundwater from this example, when you read it, you will understand that we are using more, and the rate is more than the rate at which it is being replenished by the nature through rains. That's why we are overusing it. This is the reason. Moving on to the B part. Can there be a development without overuse? So the answer can be yes, there can be development without overuse. How is it possible in this example? It is important that the people should use groundwater in a way that is wise, and they should also think of the people of future generations, that they should also be able to use it. So now people should not overuse it and should not degrade the quality of the groundwater. So even if it is there, it becomes so much contaminated that it will be unusable for the future generations. In that case, the people should not overuse it. People must try to have sustainable development in their mind while taking case of the groundwater. Now moving on to the next example, exhaustion of natural resources. It is on page number 15. The very next example, the A part says, is crude oil essential for development process in a country? Discuss. So if you see crude oil, it is base for so many products. It also used in transportation fuels such as gasoline, diesel, jet fuel. They are used. There are fuels which are used for heating and electricity generation also. Then crude oil, it creates petroleum products also. Petroleum byproducts which make tar, asphalt, paraffin, wax, and lubricating oils. It is used in chemicals also, like fertilizers, perfume, insecticides, soap, vitamin capsules. So oil is also based for making for plastic use in everything, for whether making heart walls to plastic bags. So crude oil is very important for the development process in a country. Then in question number 2, that is B, since India is importing crude oil, almost 80% crude oil India is importing from outside the country. That means that it is required to pay a lot of money, lot of foreign exchange to import this crude oil. That is why the country situation country is dependent on the foreign import. It is dependent on the foreign countries for the import of crude oil. So this results in a balance of payment situation in which we are actually causing more negative, more debit side on the BOP. So this is the situation. If you see, the government is also trying to cut the oil imports. So in order to do so, they are actually introducing various initiatives, policies, so as to have the capital and technology, so they can raise the local output level. Still then, our output is actually deteriorating over the period, over the years, and our imports are largely increasing, and this is a big problem. Do these 4 questions in your notebooks. Explanation part is over, and best of luck. Thank you.